y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. I'm Kel, and today is Hobby Lobby 90% off. I just got in. Today is Saturday, so this is pre-recorded, August the 29th. And child, when I say this is the best haul from Hobby Lobby that I have ever done, I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna get right into it. So let me show you what I picked up. So if you watched my Hobby Lobby maybe last week or the week before, I had showed y'all these beautiful pink table mats, and they were regularly $5.99. Excuse me. So I paid 60 cents for these, and I found two more. So now I have a total of 6. I was so happy to come across these again. So now I can do a 6-piece setting with these when the spring comes. And then I found, isn't this, oh, look at this, y'all. It's like a cheese platter with my initial K and the red buffalo check, and then it has the little knife. Could be a butter knife. You know, you could set this up and have some fruit or something on it with a little bit of cheese. But anywho, this was $1.19. I want to make sure you can see the price. $1.19, and it was a regularly $11.99. Wow. And this is glass. $1.19. I was looking for other initials to give out as gifts for Christmas, but they only had 2, and I picked the K up. I don't remember what the other initial they had. Next, I don't even know where to start, because if you see my floor, all this paper, because I unwrapped everything for y'all, it's just out of control. So let me move on to this beautiful, it's like pink tray. Isn't that fabulous? And this was regularly $9.99. See that? And I paid 99 cents. Now the only flaw is that there is a crack right here, but that's okay, because if I use it for food, I can glue a pink flower right here to cover up that little broken part. But I wasn't leaving this for 99 cents. Oh no, this is fabulous. And as you can see, it works perfectly well with these pink tablecloths. So y'all gonna be seeing a lot of pink out of me, you know, come spring of next year, because I love pink. My bedroom is actually pink. Okay, and then if you've seen the other Hobby Lobby that I did, I got these in like that that blue. I'm not sure what color. Can't think right now. But again, these were regularly $4.99. I paid 50 cents a piece for these. And I found them in yellow this time. The last ones I showed you, I had them in the fuchsia pink. And these are really nice, like in the summertime, to sit out on your table. Put one of those citronella candles down in there. Boom. Very nice. And 50 cents again. And then I came across, these were not, they were, I guess, 90% off. Well, no, not 90% off, but they were originally $8.99, and I paid $2.49. This is the highest that I spent in Hobby Lobby today. And these are pretty baby blue candle holders. I thought these were so pretty. Now they do have a little chip on one of them, but I'm not worrying about it, because when I film, you ain't gonna even notice it. But for $224, I said these were so pretty to do like a baby blue tablescape. Very nice. And since we're on the color of blue, I found, let's see, 6 salad plates in the baby blue and the white pattern. These were originally $2.99, so I paid 30 cents a piece. $1.80, $1.80 for 6. I might even get this in the thrift store or the secondhand store. Less than $2 for 6 plates? No. And brand new? No, I'm not getting it. And you see how this blue this blue coordinates with that. Now I was bummed out. They only had 2 of the large plates, and these were regularly $4.99. So I paid 50 cents a plate, but it's fine because I don't like all that matchy on my table. I like to mix my table, so I'll have 2 of the blues that'll sit at the head of the table, and then I do the rest of the table in white, and everything just, you know, correlates together, and then I'll use all these salad plates. I'm trying to tell y'all, for 30 cents, I wasn't leaving these. Oh no. And then you also see the blue. So I have a complete tablescape already. Let's see, $2 for probably under $8, and including these. Not bad, y'all. Not bad. I'm super excited. Then, this was my lucky Saturday. I tell you, this is my lucky Saturday. I found these white plates. We've all seen them, and they have the gold rim going around. Now, I have the dollar store ones with the gold rim, but to me, I mean, I guess a plate is a plate, but you could tell the quality versus Dollar Tree. And these were originally $3.99, and I got 6 of them. So I paid 40 cents a piece and got 6 plates for $2.40. Now, they're all right here. I'm not going to unwrap all of them because it's just too much for my bag, but trust me, I got 6 of them. So I thought that was a fabulous deal. And then when I was looking at those big plates, how come they had salsa plates? And these were regularly $1.99 a piece. So I paid 20 cents for these, and I only got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But yeah, I only got 5 of these. So 20 cents, $1 for all these salsa plates. And I will mix and match with my other tea cups that I have. But these were nice. All right. Got to move stuff around. Bam. I got the green and white checkered bowls, and these were originally $3.99. 40 cents again. And I got 6 of these. The green and white bowls. These are really nice for spaghetti or salad. I was only able to find 3 of the salad plates, and these were originally $2.99, so I paid 30 cents for these. So I got 3 of these, and when I do my tablescape, like I said, everything does not have to match. And if you watched my Hobby Lobby probably about 3 weeks ago, when I had got the solid green bowls, but I was only able to find 2 of those. So everything combines together, but this is like that sage green. So I thought that was fabulous. Now, how come they had the mugs And these were regularly $2.99, 30¢. Coffee mugs, hot chocolate. You can even put soup in these. Very nice. And I just didn't get one. Y'all know me. Didn't get one. I got 6 of them. Now, I'm not going to unwrap them because all this that you see is going straight over to storage when I finish this video. But I got 6 of them. So, what was the price that I paid for them? At 60 cents, I think they were. No, they were only 30 cents. So, $1.80 for 6 of these mugs. Unheard of, y'all. Unheard of. And I'm just double checking down here on the floor because my living room is really tore up. Oh, and then lastly, I came across some more butterflies. In my previous video, I only had 3. So now I have 6. And these were originally $2.99. So I paid 30 cents for these. So it'd go nice with a lovely tablescape in the spring. So the total that I paid, because I was, you know, as she was ringing it up, I was helping her wrap the stuff because it was so many dishes. So I made sure, because you know at Hobby Lobby they like to put 3 and 4 dishes in one little piece of paper, but not with my stuff. I'll wrap it, you ring it. So as I was wrapping it and watching her ring my stuff up, I seen 1077 pop up on the register, and I asked her, I said, well, is that my subtotal? She said yes. I said, okay. So continue on. We started wrapping everything, you know, putting it in the cart, and I always double check my receipt before I even leave the store. How come that 1077 was for 3 plates that I seen? They were melamine, and they were originally $3.59. Hopefully you can see it. Yeah, originally $3.59. They were not 90%, and that's where the 1077 came in. So, long story short, when she rang me out, my first total came to $34.42. And I said, no, something ain't right. And because my budget when I left here to go out shopping only had $40. And I wanted to go over to Home Goods. So I looked over my receipt. I said, I have something on here for $10.77, and everything that I picked up was 90%. Come to find out, those 3 plates that I had picked up to try to blend with these, they fall under the fall. So always, always, always pull to the side and check your receipt before you leave out of any store. So I end up getting a instant credit right back for $11.50. So instead of this haul being $34, only paid $23 and some change for everything that y'all saw here in this video. Now, I'm going to move on before it gets too long. And this is the Home Goods that I was telling y'all about. That's about 20 minutes away because it's right next door to the Hobby Lobby. So I said, well, I got about $17 left because you remember my budget was only $40. I said, well, let me go on over to Hobby Lobby. Home Goods. No, I don't need nothing in there. But I said, I'm here. I might as well spend a couple more minutes in the area. Child, why did I find my fabulous name, Raquel, with the bling on it in gold? Isn't that fabulous? And it was, where's the price? It was only $6. $5.99, $6. So once I move and I get my office, this will be on my desk. I thought that was so pretty. Look at that. And I was getting ready to leave the store as usual in a rush because I know I was seeing some fabulous stuff. So I got to get up out of here. I said, but let me go back around one more time. Thank goodness that I did. Almost missed out on this beautiful teapot. Isn't that pretty? And it has the gold trim going down in the lid. And this was only $7.99. $7.99, $8. So this is going to go fabulous for, you know, Halloween. Oh, I can't wait. And a little splash of orange for your Thanksgiving table. I thought this was fabulous. So in Home Goods, I think I spent like, here's the receipt here. I spent $14.92. So I did stay within my budget this weekend. And here is the receipt. $15 for these two lovely pieces. So I think I did really good. Like I said, I stayed within my budget. I only have $40. And I just want to show y'all what you can do with $20 and what you can do with $40. You know, try if you can to wait till this stuff goes down. I know you may not be able to get a perfect place setting, but everything on your table does not have to match. You always keep that in mind. Even if you find 3 bowls of something or 3 plates, you don't have to do a 6-piece setting. You don't have to do a 4. You can only do a 2, you know, and again, you can mix and you can match. So I am so glad that y'all stopped over here to see my Hobby Lobby. This is part 2 because it is a long video, so I hope you watch it to the end so you're able to see everything that I picked up. And I hope you're out. Make sure that you're safe. You have your shield and your mask and your gloves, whatever you need to protect yourself. And with that being said, and as I always say, y'all, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Y'all stay blessed until the next Hobby Lobby and Home Goods shopping spree. Bye-bye.